Hello everybody. So I want to quickly give you a tutorial about how to get your audio to sound the right way when you come into the open mics, okay? So it's actually pretty simple, but this is a very important step because if not, we're not going to be able to hear your guitars, okay? So please make sure to do this in your settings before you come on to open mic. Please do this, okay? Okay, so I'm going to launch a meeting here. And you can see now I'm in a meeting. Now, up here on the upper left side, I already have this switch. And all I have to do is click on this, and it turns musician mode on. Now, musician mode is the mode that we need for our guitars to be able to be heard, right? But you're not going to have this right off the back here up at the top left-hand side. So let me show you how to do this, okay? So you're going to get into the meeting. The best thing would be to come in from your computer if you want to perform. If you don't want to perform, feel free to use your phone. But if you do want to perform, please come in with your computer, okay? So I'm clicking up here on Zoom. Now, I already have the meeting open, right? So I'm clicking on Zoom. I'm going down to preferences. And now you can see on the left side, there's all these preferences. Please don't be afraid. I'm just going to click on audio. You see where the little headphones are and it says audio. So I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to scroll down, and the mode that Zoom normally has is this one, okay? Where it says Zoom background noise removal. That's the one that we do not want as musicians. So the one that we want is original sound for musicians. And then you're going to tick high fidelity music mode and echo cancellation. So those are the two boxes we're going to be clicking. Now, down here is some really good news. This is new. So this is in beta testing right now. So it does seem that Zoom is really trying to do stuff for musicians here. So they even have a live performance audio mode where multiple instruments or voices can be heard from different locations. Now, for now, we don't need this, right? But it's just good to see that Zoom is thinking about musicians, right? So for me, it's a really good indication that moving forward, Zoom is the right platform to do these meetings on, these open mic meetings. So let me close this now. And now you can see up here, I have the ability to click this on and click this off. Now, again, if you want to perform, this has to be on. It must say on, okay? If it says off and you try to play your guitar, it's not going to sound, we're not going to be able to hear your guitar, okay? So it has to be on. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, but this should fix the issue. It's just something that everybody has to do. And once you set this up once in your Zoom, preferences, then you should always have this little toggle on the left-hand, upper left-hand side that you can click on, okay? So once you've done this process once, it should always be available for you, okay? I hope that makes sense. All right, everybody, thank you and talk soon.